Have you ever felt like life has completely ended for you? Like every door has closed, every hope is gone, and there's no way forward? Well, today's story is about a man who felt the exact same way. He thought it was all over, but life had one last surprise waiting for him. And what happened next will make you believe in second chances. Meet Arjun. He was an ordinary man with a small dream to start his own business and provide a better life for his family. He worked hard, saved every penny, and finally took the leap with excitement and hope. He opened a small shop in his neighborhood. At first, things seemed fine. A few customers trickled in, and Arjun felt proud, but slowly the challenges began. Competitors with bigger shops and bigger budgets made life difficult. Customers stopped coming, bills piled up. Every day felt heavier than the last. Arjun did everything he could. He stayed late, tried new ideas, even borrowed money to keep the shop running. But nothing worked. The more he struggled, the more it seemed like life was pushing him down. And after months of failures, he finally had to close his shop. Closing the shop was more than just a business loss. It felt like a personal failure. Arjun couldn't sleep at night. He kept asking himself, did I waste all these years? Was all my hard work for nothing? Even his friends and neighbors started avoiding him. People whispered that he had failed, that he should just give up and get a regular job. Arjun felt invisible, hopeless, and utterly defeated. His family tried to comfort him, but even their words couldn't reach the deep pit of despair he felt. Arjun stopped answering calls. He stopped trying for weeks. He just sat at home, staring at the four walls, feeling like life had completely ended. He thought it was over, truly over. But then one rainy evening, something happened that would change everything. Arjun was sitting near his window, watching the rain pour. His mind was full of regrets. Suddenly, there was a knock at the door. He wasn't expecting anyone, so he hesitated. Slowly, he opened it. Standing there was a young boy from his neighborhood, holding a small handmade card. The boy looked at him with a bright smile and said, "Sir, I wanted to give this to you. You always helped me when I needed it. You inspired me to start drawing, and I just wanted to say thank you." Arjun took the card and opened it. Inside were words he would never forget. "You taught me to never give up, even when things seem impossible. You are a hero to me." The first time in months, Arjun felt a spark inside him. He realized something powerful, even though his shop had failed. The effort, care, and honesty he had put into his work had touched someone's life. Somehow, in ways he couldn't see, his journey had mattered. The boy didn't stop there. He told Arjun that his art teacher loved his drawings and wanted to showcase them in a small exhibition. The boy's excitement was contagious. Arjun realized that while he had thought his journey was over, life had quietly been preparing him for a new beginning. Inspired by this little surprise, Arjun decided to try again, but this time differently. He started mentoring local kids, teaching them skills he had learned in business. Slowly, more people noticed his efforts. He didn't open another shop, but his guidance helped others succeed. And in the process, he rebuilt his confidence, purpose, and joy. Arjun's life didn't magically become perfect. Challenges still came, but he learned an important lesson that day. Sometimes, when we think it's over, life is actually giving us a chance to start something even better. Sometimes, the end of one journey is just the beginning of another, more meaningful one. So the next time life knocks you down, remember Arjun's story. Just because one door closes doesn't mean your story is finished. Look closely, life may have one last surprise waiting for you.